Right, I won't spend a lot of time introducing myself, and what I do because there was a video made of it, YouTube video of last time when I spoke. So if you wanna go and actually see and exactly what I do, it's already been recorded on Renata's, with Renata's skills and
Oh,
everything.
yeah, we shoot it next to this story that
Yeah. So I'm Phil Spalding, that is my surname. Uh, I have personalised stuff. Well, when I say personalised, if you watch the video, you'll find out what that's all about. Now, going with the theme from the previous speaker, Deborah, um, I've just spent last week completing a contract to teach 10, 16-year-olds, but they're Chinese. They come across, I'm with a Boston Parker's Feast, Parkside Connecticut College, a colleague of mine, because I do long-term supply. I was teaching Amy, and she said, "Can you help me out? I've got this contract. We're going to teach some Chinese students, but I've been asked to do the AI, computer science." And she says, "I don't really know a lot about it." She's a science teacher, so she does, but she didn't have the confidence to say, "Yeah, this is what we do." So the theme, most of the Chinese students, was to get to know Cambridge, British culture. They spent a week in London, Windsor Castle, all the sort of thing, Cambridge. They were put into houses, Trinity, uh, basically 4 colleges. They were doing the punching, the rest of it in the evening. They were learning English in the morning. Then we had 2 hours to teach them, basically how to do animation, so producing games, then actually AI. And I can actually run AI on this little device, Cambridge's Raspberry Pi. Stands alone, doesn't go out on the internet, don't lose your data. Its carbon footprint is minimal. I think that runs on something like that, 5 watts or something like that. You go and do an AI prompt, it will go off to America, it will go and inform basically their models. So it's right when they say AI doesn't give you the same answer twice, because you ask it a question, it learns from that. If you happen to be the 4th person along the chain with the same question, you're going to get the benefit of the other 3 questions that have gone before. But if it's your own data on here, and it's very easy to, well, I'll say relatively easy. So I'm in contact with, well, some friends of mine and myself. We're all year retirement age, but we're doing AI, and we successfully caught all these Chinese nationals, and they went back to China, not with the technology, but with an idea that they can do. That's my whole story for last week. Excellent. Very cool.